Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up UpCloud VPS for fast caching with Redis. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your UpCloud account. Navigate to the servers section in the dashboard. Click on Add Server to create a new virtual private server. Choose your desired server location for optimal speed. Select the operating system you want to use, such as Ubuntu or CentOS. Choose a plan that fits your performance needs. Customize the server settings, including additional CPU and RAM if necessary. Review your configuration and click on Create Server. Once the server is up and running, connect to it using SSH. Open your terminal and type in your SSH command. Log in with your root credentials. Once logged in, update your package list with the command. For Ubuntu, use sudo apt update. For CentOS, use sudo yum update. Next, install Redis using the package manager. For Ubuntu, type sudo apt install Redis server. For CentOS, type sudo yum install Redis. After the installation, it's time to configure Redis. Open the Redis configuration file with a text editor. For Ubuntu, use sudo nano /etc/redis/redis.conf. For CentOS, use sudo nano /etc/redis.conf. Change the supervised directive to systemd. Find the line that reads supervised no and change it to supervised systemd. This allows Redis to be managed as a system service. Next, set the binding address for Redis. Look for the line that starts with bind. Change it to bind 127.0.0.101. This restricts Redis to listen only on localhost for security. Now, save and exit the editor. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.